Yo, what's up guys, Simon Crypto here and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be talking about crypto vocabulary, to be more detailed also Solana meme coin trading vocabulary. I think this is really important and I've wished that somebody made a video on this topic when I first started out trading crypto meme coins, and I didn't really see anyone else doing a video about that. So in the video I will just briefly go over some crypto vocab that I think is really important. So let's get started with the first vocab. The first vocab is slippage, which pretty much means the difference from actually buying into something than the actually real price, which means you probably oftentimes see slippage when you're trading with a bot. You can set a slippage to 20%, meaning now the coin is at 100k market cap and you actually press buy, but then in the next second it skyrockets to 120k, which means it's 20% higher than it was before. And if you have a 20% slippage, it still buys, but if you have only a 15% slippage, the transaction will not go through because your slippage isn't high enough, which pretty much just means the difference from actually buying and the actual price of the token. The second vocab is TP, which just means take profits. If somebody says TP accordingly, TP, it just means take profits. So even though it skyrockets the coin, even though it's really running good, you should still take profits if somebody says that. Pump and dump is another vocab, which pretty much just means the coin pumps extremely fast but then also dumps extremely fast, which oftentimes is a result from a call from an influencer or a call in a big group with a lot of capital. The third vocab is rug pull. Rug pull pretty much means, or just rug, if the dev sells his tokens and pretty much scams the other holders. Oftentimes he has a lot of wallets that he bundled the token with, and then if he rugs or he rug pulls the token, he just pretty much sells all his tokens and abandons the project. The next vocab is FOMO. You probably know FOMO out of real life, but this is also a thing in trading. Pretty much it means fear of missing out. In this case with crypto trading, it is fear of missing out of making money, which means people see, oh, the coin is dead, they sell the low, and then it pumps again and people say, fuck man, this will go way higher, I want to make money, and they FOMO back in, they buy back in, then again they bought the top. So if somebody says don't FOMO in, it means wait till the coin dips again, wait till there's a nice correction and then buy in. The next vocab is FUD. You will oftentimes hear this, for example, stop FUDding, stop the FUD, people FUD, and so on and so on. FUD is just pretty much means spreading of negative information, or it doesn't have to be real information, just lying about some stuff which affects projects negatively. Meaning if somebody FUDs the projects, a lot of people are getting scared and they think it's gonna drop and then they sell, obviously. So always be careful if there's some FUDders in the Telegram or in the call or whatever. The next vocab is volatility. You probably heard this before also in some other things, but if somebody says the token is extremely volatile, meaning the price can fluctuate strongly, meaning it can go up and down in just seconds, and that pretty much means volatile. The next vocab is mint, or minting a token, which pretty much means creating a token. The next vocab is burn, or burning a token, which pretty much means burning a token so the wallet owner of the token doesn't have the token anymore and it's burned for everyone. Next vocab is crypto presale. A presale pretty much is something different than just creating a coin and it's getting traded openly. It pretty much means that you can buy tokens before the token even launched. The next vocab is bonding or seeding. This is most of the times in connection with Pump.Fun. And pretty much when the Pump.Fun tokens reaches a certain market cap shown on Pump.Fun, it's getting bonded or seeded to Raydium that it can actually be traded there. Next vocab is token utility. It just pretty much means if the token has some utility. If they say the token, what's token utility? does it have a token utility? It just pretty much means, can the token do something? Is there more, maybe an application behind it, a program, a website, or anything? Next vocab is tokenomics. A lot of people might say, hey, look at the tokenomics. Can I see the tokenomics? How are the tokenomics? It just pretty much means how the token is actually spread. There can be 5% to the devs, to the dev team, maybe 5% to the marketing wallet, 30% is actually then pre-sale, 15% is liquidity, and so on and so on, how the tokenomics are spread out. Next vocab is liquidity. Liquidity just pretty much means amount that can be sold in a certain token. For example, if the token is at a market cap of 100k and $30,000 liquidity, you can't actually sell 100,000 of the token, but just 30k, because this is the liquidity. Next vocab is MC. It just pretty much means market cap. Pretty self-explanatory. So the next two vocabs are actually alpha and ape. Pretty much means buy, positive, bullish. So if somebody posts a contact address in the Telegram and then they say alpha, it means they advise you to buy it. But also alpha means positive and good cause. Same thing with ape. Aping just means buying. Next two vocabs are ATH and ATL, pretty much means all-time high and all-time low. Next vocab is shill or shilling. Shilling pretty much means that you spread the token around. You say to this guy, hey, buy it, hey, buy it. In this group, you say, hey, look at this coin, buy it. It just pretty much means promoting a token. Next vocab is CTO, which means community takeover. This oftentimes happens when a dev rug pulls or he just abandons the projects and leave, that a CTO forms and the token is actually getting pushed by a whole community and not only one dev. Next vocab is bundling or bundled. Oftentimes developers of tokens bundle tokens to then try to rug it, meaning they own a lot of wallets that all own a little bit of the token, so it doesn't look sus, but at the end they still own a shit ton because all of the wallets are theirs. Next crypto vocab is Koth, which pretty much means King of the Hill. And on Pump.Fun there's a thing called King of the Hill, which means if you get to a certain market cap fast enough on Pump.Fun, you get King of the Hill, and King of the Hill is pretty much getting promoted on the front side of Pump.Fun. Next crypto vocab is DEX. DEX pretty much just means DEX screener as of the website. So if somebody says, is DEX paid? It just means if they paid the enhanced token info on DEX screener. DEX ads pretty much means advertising on DEX screener. Next vocab is microcap. You'll probably often hear this with tokens. So if somebody says a microcap token, show me some microcap tokens, meaning tokens with a really small market cap. And the last vocabulary of today is gas fee. Gas fee is pretty much just a transaction fee that you can put in on your bot yourself. So guys, that was already it. Just a brief video going over some crypto vocab that I would love to know when I first started trading. And if you have some other crypto vocab that you want to know what it means, just go ahead, write it down in the comments and I will answer you as fast as I can. If you want to learn more about trading crypto and also get free calls, join my Telegram and check out my other YouTube videos. Have a nice day. Bye.